Planning a move from Guelph to the United States? A cross-border relocation can feel complicated, but with the right preparation, it becomes much easier to manage. First, consider exactly where you're moving. Your destination state affects the travel distance, delivery schedule, moving cost, and even the route your movers will use. Crossing the border means additional paperwork. Keep your identification, immigration documents, detailed household inventory, and any required customs forms organized and easy to access. The price of moving from Guelph to the USA usually depends on your shipment size, destination, packing needs, access conditions, and whether you need storage or specialty item handling. Use sturdy boxes, protect fragile belongings carefully, and label everything by room. Keep passports, medications, valuables, and essential items with you instead of loading them onto the moving truck. Look for professional movers with experience handling Canada to USA relocations. Ask about licensing, insurance, customs coordination, delivery communication, and what protection options are available for your belongings. Before booking, compare written moving quotes and check what each estimate includes. Clear pricing helps you avoid confusion and choose services that match your budget. Ready to plan your move from Guelph to the USA? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options and start your free moving estimate today.